My video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware, which is called Cceo. This Cceo ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This Cceo ransomware is able to essentially damage the files which people store on their computers, including pictures, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. The fact that this Cceo ransomware has infected your computer means that your existing antivirus software can be blamed for allowing this ransomware to be injected. I'm showing this video based on my test computer, but unfortunately this ransomware often injects real computers, and after people restart their computers, they soon realize that something really bad is happening and that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware encrypts these files, and Cceo is the extension that is added to the files after they get encrypted. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be recovered even if you pay the ransom. So don't ever waste your money and don't pay that ransom. By the way, you can trace this ransomware if you go to the task manager of your computer. Most likely you will find some suspicious processes with long and random names that can be running in the background. So here is this process, and it is related to that particular ransomware called Cceo. A good idea is that you carefully terminate this process, but unfortunately it may be too late and the files may be already encrypted. However, if you have noticed some files to be damaged and some not, go ahead, check your task manager, find any suspicious processes like this one, right click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. After the ransomware damages these files, this Cceo extension is added to them, so people cannot use their files. All of them are damaged and encrypted. On the other hand, you should not pay the ransom, because this is what the ransomware tells you to do. It tells that you need to pay the ransom, but paying the ransom does not guarantee the file recovery. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start the application and begin scanning and researching your computer. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of the threats which were found during the scan. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer. And of course, based on that information about locations of threats, you'll be able to remove certain threats manually. However, I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected against other ransomware attacks and to keep your system free of threats in the future.